Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 9th, 2021. Cardano price prediction. The flash crash sends ADA crypto price plummeting. You guys saw it yesterday. So we're not going to be surprised to act like the market in Cardano or ADA didn't drop what? What was the percentage price that ADA dropped yesterday? What, 20 some percent? The price as low as the market went to what, $2 yesterday in price? That caught a lot of people off guard, and it caught a lot of people off one foot. They didn't have 10 toes down, and they were kind of surprised to see the market drop the way it did across the board. A lot of altcoins, a lot of cryptocurrencies saw the price plummet. So I'm going to come in today, talk about Cardano or ADA specifically to see, okay, what changed? Obviously, the market dynamics has changed in Cardano, so you need to have someone in your corner to let you know that. You don't want to be still led under false pretenses to think that the market is still a buy or that the price is still going to go up. I got you. This is that particular channel. This is that platform for you to understand what the market is anticipated to do going forward so that we can always be ahead of the game. You guys want to join me? Hit me up. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel because we want to make sure that we take advantage of these opportunities to where the market comes in and completely plummets or does a flash crash or just do something unexpected to the people, right? We want to already know that this is something that can occur. And look at my price prediction. Our last video that we did in ADA was on September the 1st. So 8 days into the price prediction, you guys can see what has occurred. We're not hiding anything from you all. We already knew that once this move occurred, once this price bar right here ended on the low, we should have understood that, okay, hold on. The market maybe actually get a little bit weaker in ADA, right? You should have known that. You should have saw that. You should not be surprised that the market went down. Now, the magnitude of how massive the move was in ADA, can nobody really time that. Nobody can really estimate how big of a market move it was going to be. Nobody. So for you to understand that, yeah, I'm seeing weakness, you could have said, okay, cool, let me go ahead and jump off the boat before the market sinks so I can at least scave away with my profits, right? A lot of people didn't catch that. And so far, especially in ADA, a lot of people who initially took positions right here are now in losing positions because they didn't see it coming. This is how the market operates. We all need to realize that don't nobody care about us. Nobody wants us to truly win in the market. So we need to feel the same way. We need to make sure that we take advantage of everyone else who participates in ADA. So we have to stay ahead of the game. So hopefully, you saw my video on September the 1st. You was able to at least grab some of this profitability out of the market on the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and you probably broke even on the 6th because right now we are down substantially if you're still in the market play from our last price prediction of September the 1st. Right there, down 16%. So at least could have had on the market high 9.19% on the second day of when we did our price prediction, or you could be down 16.8% right now. Now, that's done. That is over. Let me give you the new price target because something changed. And it doesn't take technical indicators to figure out that the market doesn't look the same. We've been tracking the price in ADA ever since August, right? This breakout trend right here. Once the market price broke this ascending line, we now understand that the market dynamics has changed. We are no longer in a bullish environment for ADA. Don't follow what everyone else tries to tell you. We're not there anymore. So the next outcome, the next thing that we need to see into the market in ADA is for this market to consolidate. Because if we consolidate, then it tells us that throughout the rest of 2021, the market price in ADA is going to resume up to higher prices. Now, if we break this consolidational range to the downside, then we now know that the market is going to continue to go lower. We are just in the initial stages of us seeing price go down in ADA. It is what it is. You need to see the market for what it is so that you can learn how to take advantage of these moves, right? So now we can see it visually. The price in ADA has now broken the trend. So I am no longer looking for the price in ADA to go up. Neither should you. So what we need to do, we need to establish the trading channel, right? We need to establish the consolidation range. The market went all the way down to $2 yesterday. So right now, that is the basis of what the market support area is. Okay. So now let's do it. Let's create this area of support now in ADA. Okay, so we can probably see, as in terms of market restriction, can you see where the market restriction can be in ADA? Because we have been in a very sustained upward trend into the market in ADA, and it maybe it's around that $2.50 price to maybe $2.60, right? Let me see if I can move this to an hourly, smaller time frame. Yeah, so I'm seeing around $2.55, $2.50 in ADA. All right. Now, this area right here, we need to make sure that the trap is able to break above it. And once we break to the upside above this top right here, $2.40, that area needs to be maintained as support. Okay. Now, you could do that, or let me show you something else. Okay. Because like I told you earlier out in the video, the price in ADA is now broken, right? The ascending line that we was tracking into the market in ADA is now broken. Do you think that we will come back down and test this trend? Do you see that? All the way back from July the 20th. This is still an upward trend into the market in ADA. Like, let's not get it twisted. The price is still going higher. The price was just so far away from this trend that the market now is trying to come back down to some realistic prices to where we can uphold this longer term trend that the price in ADA is actually going through. And I actually kind of like that. I actually kind of like that we are still seeing the price in ADA go up. We are still in line to see that. We were just breaking away from the market move recently. That's all. So we're still in an uptrend into the market in ADA. Just sorry for the people who bought ADA and who got suckered into thinking that the price in ADA will continue to go up due to the implementation of their smart contract platform. I mean, we can still see the price in ADA come all the way down to this ascending line. You have to be geared and prepared for that so that we can eat off the market once it gets down to that particular price, because this is cheap right here, $2. When the market low came in yesterday in ADA, that $2 price was real cheap compared to this trend. We wanted to buy ADA right there closer to this ascending line. Did you take advantage of that? Right? So I'm gonna keep that line there. I'm gonna keep this ascending line here into the market in ADA. We're going to follow this. This is our newest trend that the market in ADA is continuing to follow. Okay, this is it. So automatically, if you're not in the play in ADA, don't be in no rush, because we are still showing market weakness in ADA. This is not the opportunity to hurry up and try to come in and buy the market, because the bottom has not came in yet. You'll see people come in and start telling you to buy the dip. Okay, where is it? When will the dip stop going? How low will the dip be? You don't know, but people will continue to tell you with this very broad statement to go in and buy the dip. Where will it stop? No one knows. So we've already identified where the prospect of the market stopping and going lower to where the dip can stop. We're not there yet, but yes, pay attention to market price in ADA going down to this ascending line as of right now. Okay. So let me show you. For us to come back down to that $2 price, it's about 15.75% profitability. I'm not necessarily seeing the market in ADA being that weak. Maybe hitting the low that we did right now today, around $2.20. Yeah, we can see that. But as of this particular moment, this is no play right now. If you're looking for the price in ADA to go up, it's one of these opportunities where you just need to sit back, relax, be calm, and let the market work until we get a better depiction as to where support is going to be. The market is too volatile right now. So if you haven't been in this play ever since July and you're trying to figure out, okay, when would be a good point for me to jump in, yeah, you might just want to wait. I mean, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait to see how much weakness is still apparent and evolving to the market. And once the weakness subsides, then that's when we come in and play. That's when we'll come in and participate and expect the market price to go up. But until that time, we need to expect the price to go down, because again, the market trend that we originally had on September the 1st, that's broken. So we need to identify the market price in ADA coming down to this ascending line now. So I'm just going to kick back, chill out, let the market continue to trade, let the market continue to dip, and everyone's going to continue to tell you to come in and buy it every time the market drops, right? When you can just literally wait, sit the sideline, don't deploy any resources to this market until the market actually stops going lower. You can do that as well. So this is it. This is our updated price prediction into the market in ADA. The ultimate area that I'm looking for the price to go would be $2. Okay. I got 3 areas that I would come in and skim off some profits. Let me show you what they are. The first one is right there around 220. I'll skim off some profitability right there. Next area will be around $2.10, all the way down to $2. Now, it's up to you. You're on our team, you're on our community. Drop me a comment in the comment section right now and tell me where you think the price in ADA is going to be in the next 3 days. No, not 3 days. Give me 5 days. In the next 5 trading days, tell me where do you think the price in ADA is going to be? Do you think we're going to be back up to higher prices? Do you think the market is going to continue to drop in price? It's that simple. Let me know. Looking forward to reading your comments. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and welcome to everyone who is now on our team. Let's tear it up.